Joey.
Yes, in search of the mighty flounder.
How many years have we been searching?
Right over there, I think.
How many years have we been searching for that flounder?
I don't know. Hopefully this year we'll get him. And we're off. Hey Bob, you want to water ski?
Face skiing. This be under the bridge. We're to go under the bridge and cut left for crabbing, and under the bridge and straight ahead for fishing. Arr! Watch out, flounder. Arr! How's it going, Joe?
It's going very well. Oh, fishing. Fishing. Not very well. The crabbing.
You're on.
Old Soul School, number 803.
All right, I like it. I like it.
It's a real scorcher out there today, isn't it? Good for the fish, though, you know? Good for the fishing, I say. Old Salt, number 804. Trite sayings. Ah, hot enough for you? Ah. I don't seem to be biting. Let me give you some directions that you can't understand. Bob.
What have we here, Joe?
It's the mighty ling.
The mighty ling.
Yeah. The Chinese fish, closely related to chin.
254.
250.
Wait a minute. Let's close this.
We have an hors d'oeuvre anyway.
Oh, man.
I think that's good on a cracker, Bob.
Well, this is an omen, I think, Joe. Whoa, Nelly. Look at that baby. What a fish. That thing must be like, what, 6 foot long?
Well, I'd say at least 6 feet. And the teeth. And teeth, that was a risky procedure bringing that on board, Bob.
Man, let me tell you.
I said one edible fish.
That is one heck of, what is that thing?
A sea robin.
A sea robin. Whoa, let's look in that throat. Let's get that throat up here. Ooh,
nasty, huh?
Teeth. Teeth, yeah. Whoa, now that's a wide-mouthed fish if I ever saw one.
Yeah, that's a Linda Lovelace fish.
We tossing this baby back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready. No. What do I have here?
It's a sea bass, Bob.
We have a sea bass here.
That's the second edible fish caught today.
It's the second edible fish caught today.
As you'll notice, it's smaller than the one I caught. The sea robin, you mean?
No, that was a tautog, Bob.
We have it on tape. We'll have to take a look at that, Joe.
We will, and I don't think that was a sea robin, by the way.
Fish has good breath anyway. Well, this is a sea bass, and if we have a little more time, we'll get a sea trout.
I think I said that.